Hi, I'm Vera Chan from PagerDuty. PagerDuty is an AWS Advanced Technology partner. I'd like to introduce you to our PagerDuty AWS Outposts Integration and share with you a short demo of how the integration can help empower your teams to manage incidents in real time across dynamic, hybrid infrastructures so you can accelerate cloud migration. As you know, AWS Outposts is a fully managed service that offers AWS infrastructure, AWS services, APIs, and other tools to hybrid infrastructure environments, virtually any data center, co-location space, or on-premises facility. PagerDuty and AWS Outposts together enable cloud professionals in highly regulated markets like healthcare, financial services, and government to leverage the latest and greatest AWS cloud services and still adhere to strict data privacy and compliance rules with on-premises workloads. Industries requiring low latency compute capabilities, such as high frequency trading, medical labs, and academia, can use AWS Outposts to shorten the path for computational horsepower from multiple jumps to a different connection to their data centers. AWS Outposts allows more traditional enterprises to begin to embrace the public cloud with regard to their data centers and leverage it as a starting point for cloud migration. For those in the process of migrating workloads to an AWS Outposts-based hybrid cloud, it's critical to understand how your technology stack, people, culture, and skills, as well as operational processes need to evolve. PagerDuty empowers and connects all of those focus areas and also helps teams during their shift to a DevOps-oriented approach of full-service ownership, where teams must have complete ownership over every aspect of the services they support, from design and development to production operation. Teams and people are held more accountable and benefit from full context when incidents occur, as incidents are routed to the right owners in seconds for quicker resolution times and less impact to end users. The PagerDuty integration with AWS Outposts leverages the popular Amazon CloudWatch integration on premises. This happens through an AWS Simple Notification Service (SNS) topic, which is agnostic to the AWS workload's location, whether it is in the public cloud or Outposts. By creating this connection from AWS Outposts to PagerDuty, customers extend the digital operations capabilities of PagerDuty seamlessly across all AWS workloads, on-premise or in the cloud. Instead of a queued and ticketed approach to addressing issues that negates the real-time value that the cloud provides, PagerDuty helps teams reduce noise using AIOps and machine learning, contextualize incidents for rapid response, and then automate remediation whenever possible so you can operate in real time where you are to ensure your business and services are working perfectly 24/7. Migrating to the AWS cloud and managing an Outpost-based hybrid infrastructure makes it easier to adopt a you build it, you own it full service ownership model, making it easier for teams to collaborate and resolve issues faster. Having the ability to quickly spin up AWS instances to build new apps and services means making changes to your ITOps workflows. With PagerDuty, the service team that owns a particular Outpost-based application can be provided with the right information to deal with incidents that arise during the migration process in real time. Here's a demo of the PagerDuty AWS Outposts integration in action. Migrating to the cloud is difficult, and customers need help with it. Cloud migration and managing hybrid cloud infrastructure is a complicated journey, and many organizations are struggling. PagerDuty helps teams manage the complex transition from siloed and centralized approaches to multiple distributed teams and hybrid infrastructure. It empowers you to drive the people, technology, and operational process changes necessary to maintain business continuity and help make sure your cloud migration journey is painless and fast, and most importantly, without customer impact. As you know, AWS Outposts extends AWS infrastructure to virtually any data center, private, co-located, or on-premises facilities. PagerDuty, together with AWS Outposts, empowers teams to manage incidents in real time for AWS infrastructure used in a private data center, co-located space, or on-premises facility for real-time operations-enabled hybrid infrastructure environments. Imagine I'm a member of the DevOps team who is responsible for keeping our website's product search capabilities up and running 24/7 on hybrid infrastructure, consisting of a mix of environments including a private data center, co-located space, on-premise, and the cloud. It all seems like it's in one place because I use AWS Outposts to manage the hybrid infrastructure. Suddenly, I receive a push notification about a P2 issue. Basic information about the issue appears at the top. I can see the creation date, who the issue is assigned to, and the impacted technical service. There's a lot of enriched information that helps me better understand the incident and the context around it. PagerDuty pulls in contextual information from AWS and can also pull in information from other sources, monitoring tools, ticketing systems, and more. Additional diagnostic data or links to runbooks that contain information about people who might have resolved a past incident and recommendations on how to best solve an incident could appear here as well. In this case, it appears that a CloudWatch alarm threshold was exceeded, and our integration with AWS Outposts automatically triggered the creation of this event in PagerDuty. It seems that too many EC2 instances were spun up and that there is no more capacity available. Any CloudWatch alarm associated with AWS Outposts can automatically trigger incidents in PagerDuty to ensure that the right person who is on call can immediately be notified to quickly address and resolve an issue. Another scenario could be a CloudWatch alarm that generates a PagerDuty incident to notify a responder that an AWS infrastructure component is unreachable. You'll notice that this incident has grouped alerts together. This is one incident, but you can see these are actually multiple grouped open alerts. PagerDuty merged these alerts using our machine learning AI algorithm that helps reduce noise, manage false positives, and organize relevant alert data into a single view. First, I quickly acknowledge the incident to inform everyone that I am actively working on the issue, and so everyone knows who to contact if there are any questions. Running a P2 response play allows me to focus on resolving the issue rather than coordinating a response. Additional responders are now engaged to help me, and stakeholders are automatically updated and notified with only the information they need. A Zoom meeting that I can join with just one touch has been automatically created as a result of running the P2 response play. Status updates will be recorded here in this tab. Other members in the organization have been added as stakeholders, and a notification has been sent to them. Custom incident actions allow me to run actions outside of PagerDuty. I can connect PagerDuty to external tools through webhooks and perform actions at the click of a button to run diagnostics, scripts, reboot a server, expand a database, revert to a previous code deploy, and limitless other workflows and possibilities. There are times when you might need to run diagnostics via a webhook to Rundeck, which is an automation platform that reduces the duration of incidents and minimizes escalation of issues to others. But let's just go ahead and execute some runbook actions that automate manual operations tasks, like gathering additional troubleshooting or diagnostics information. You can easily add ad hoc status updates to keep your stakeholders informed of only the details they need to know. The Business Status Dashboard keeps thousands of subscribed stakeholders, from team leads to executive leadership across the organization, informed and aware of customer or revenue impacting outages. They can view the historical and active real-time state of key business services and their associated technical services that support them. PagerDuty facilitates a full service ownership operational model where development and operation teams have complete ownership over every aspect of the services they support, from design and development to production operations and the eventual sunsetting of their software. While there's a lot more that I can do on the mobile app, let me show you what else I can do via the web app. The Visibility Console allows me to see current system status and service health, active incidents, who is working on ongoing issues, and more. It's all in one place to help me stay aligned and assess the greater impact of issues to make better real-time decisions. There are built-in modules here, and I can add my own custom URLs or markup to include critical information and process to help drive down resolution times. PagerDuty incorporates AI ops machine learning algorithms and automation to help save time, improve team health, and eliminate unnecessary interruptions. PagerDuty's machine learning can automatically group incidents together and incorporate how humans interact with PagerDuty as it dynamically learns from their actions and adapts over time. Based on those actions, PagerDuty improves at deciding when to merge and when not to merge alerts. This automation allows you to view accurately grouped alerts without having to set up complex rules, which will reduce your setup and maintenance costs. I can see who was involved in a past similar issue and dig deeper to discover what remediative steps were taken. I can understand the breadth and scope of impact through related incidents that help me see other issues across other services and teams that may be related to this one. In addition, PagerDuty's event rules give you the flexibility and control needed to customize how your events and alerts are processed. You can also use rules, either at the service or global level, to decide when to suppress, group, or categorize certain incidents. Collaboration workflows are automated, such as creating a war room or pushing relevant information to other tools and sources, such as Slack or Microsoft Teams for wider communication. While trying to investigate the root cause, it's also really helpful for me to see recent code or infrastructure change information right within my reach here. Seeing change events from GitHub, Puppet, BuildKite, and more can help me and my team safely iterate and ship faster while operating in the cloud or hybrid cloud. As seen before in the mobile app, here's the web version of the business status dashboard that helps keep subscribers and stakeholders aligned with the information that they need. While I'm going to just resolve the incident now here, you can easily enable Amazon CloudWatch to automatically resolve this issue when the state of the alarm changes to OK. Continuing shortly after the resolution of the major incident, the learning process is critical for driving continuous improvement. Timeline activity can automatically be incorporated into a postmortem, making the incident review process highly automated. You can combine what happened during the incident, related information from other incidents, and collaboration activity from your ChatOps tool into a single postmortem report to gain a chronological understanding of everything that happened during an outage. In addition to learning from specific incidents, your team needs to understand how they're tracking over time to continually improve the performance of your digital operations. For instance, why did that incident occur, and how can you avoid similar incidents in the future? To facilitate that, PagerDuty Analytics provides prescriptive insights and advanced impact metrics to foster a culture of continuous learning. Organizations need to sort through a lot of information to extract actionable insights like how to improve their operations or the health of their infrastructure. Operational reviews offer impactful, actionable metrics with 3 different scorecards targeting different areas of your organization: team handoff, service performance, and business performance scorecards. Additionally, our peer and industry benchmarking capabilities at the top here provide suggested actions you can take to improve your team's performance and the health of your services by spotlighting key areas for improvement while also giving recommendations. Prescriptive recommendations serviced by machine learning require no training and enable you to further improve operational maturity, drive operational efficiency, and reduce costs. Take action on recommendations and enable pause notifications to allow a service or application to self-heal, or intelligent alert grouping to reduce noise and understand the quantitative and qualitative benefits of making changes that improve health across your services and teams. Our analytics are available anywhere. Our data is embedded and accessible within Slack, making it easy for you to start incorporating analytics into your daily conversations. Our rich analytics dataset is open to our customers to query via our Analytics API, where you can access aggregated incident, service, and team data, as well as the raw data for individual or multiple incidents. That concludes the incident workflow demo of the PagerDuty AWS Outposts integration. We hope you'll check out a free trial today to let PagerDuty help your teams navigate the challenges of hybrid cloud environments and maintain business continuity while you add the scalability, flexibility, and value of the AWS cloud. Migrating to the AWS cloud and managing an outpost-based hybrid infrastructure makes it easier to adopt a you build it, you own it full service ownership model, making it easier for teams to collaborate and resolve issues faster. Having the ability to quickly spin up AWS instances to build new apps and services means making changes to your IT ops workflows. With PagerDuty, the service team that owns a particular outpost-based application can be provided with the right information to deal with incidents that arise during the migration process in real time. PagerDuty has made it easy to learn more about and get started with your Outpost migration. If you're new to PagerDuty, you can sign up for a free trial and learn more about how we help teams migrate to the cloud, adopt a full service ownership model, and integrate with key AWS services. If you're an existing PagerDuty customer using AWS Outposts, you can get started with our integration for AWS Outposts here, or connect with our support team to learn more.